this is the only $200 a day strategy that everyone is using on TikTok to cash out every single day. So this is what you need. You need your TikTok app and you need your Pinterest app, right? So you're going to copy content from Pinterest and you paste it on TikTok. So what do you need? You need your Pinterest, you need your TikTok, and you need your Canva app for doing the editing. So what you do when you come to Pinterest, you come to Pinterest and look for content in a specific niche. After finding that content, you're going to keep downloading that content to your phone, right? Download. So you keep downloading content to your phone, but it has to be about a specific niche. So after finding that content, you have to go to Canva. When you go to Canva, this is how Canva looks like. This is how the homepage for Canva looks like. So when you come to Canva, you have to do the editing. So since TikTok is a short form video app, what we have to do, we have to come to videos. When you come to videos, you're going to see easy to assemble videos. Under easy to assemble videos, you have video, mobile video, Facebook video, Instagram reel, TikTok video. So this is where we have to do our editing because we want to make short form video for TikTok. So you tap on TikTok. Once you tap on TikTok, you're going to have this page that shows create blank. So you tap on create blank. After tapping on create blank, Canva is going to give you a blank page where you can do all your editing using all these features. You have design, elements, text, camera roll, brands, uploads, draw, designs, project, app. So after doing your editing, you tap on download, and then you push your content straight to TikTok. So if you want to know step by step on how you can do this, all you need to do is to check my link in the bio for step-by-step tutorial sessions on how you can do it step by step.